Damage from Hurricane Ian is expected to top $65 billion.
The death toll is now at 21, and sadly that number is expected to grow. We begin our live team coverage with Local 10's Christian Delarosa on Fort Myers Beach. Christian.
We're talking about people who chose to ride out the storm or could not get out in time. They are still being brought to safety today, and search and rescue teams are also finding those who did not survive. As the water recedes, many of the scenes are grim.
You think that's a dead body?
And as the death toll rises, people are still being rescued.
I've been there 30 years, and I lost everything.
We met Greg Anarino moments after search and rescue teams brought him to safety from his home on Sanibel Island.
A tornado hit my top of my house. I was with these cats in the back bedroom, and I actually saw the roof lift off, and then 10 feet of water came in.
This is as far as we could safely get to Sanibel. Parts of the road leading to the causeway are impassable. Nearby, we met a couple as they returned to see what's left of their two-story home. They were too distraught to talk to us on camera. A staircase and a pickup truck washed away from their neighbor's property. Neighbors tell us this was a two-story structure now completely decimated. Many, like Anarino, now left wondering if rebuilding is even worth it.
Yeah, the only thing I had left was my three cats. My three cats, and whatever I have left is in a suitcase.
People didn't just lose their homes, they've lost their memories. I found this picture on this sidewalk as I was making my way to this live shot. And when you talk about the cost of cleanup and rebuilding from this storm, it is going to be astronomical. And that process is just getting started. Back to you.
This storm will stay in the minds of those residents for the rest of their lives. Christian, thank you.